Okay, this is a lift at Burwood train station. Used to be. This lift is old, got an old door. It's really smooth. This stinks. So liferonic makes this lift. Very smooth. Close the door. So this is a liferonic lift. There's Burwood Westfields. Get to going up Westfields to film the lifts, but not going to do the Westfields one today. So this is a liferonic lift. Needs to be redone. Looks like this lift. Like this lift is modernised. It's a liferonic lift. So that's it. Please like my video.